Take one more example. How do you apply this effective interest method? Suppose an entity issues 0 coupon bonds. That means what? One bond is issued for 750 rupees. Tenure is 3 years and redemption amount is CU 1000. Initial amount is CU 750, redemption amount is CU 1000. So difference between 1750 CU 250 is what? CU 250 is interest. No interest is payable in every period. The entity assumes 750, repays 1000, 25 is interest. So 25 is what percentage of 750? It is 1/3, that means 33.33%. For 3 years, 1 year is how much? 11.11% interest. Non-cumulative. But when it is cumulative, we have to find out at what rate of interest this 750 will become 1000 after 3 years. You can make other error method based thing nowadays. You see, if you can use Excel, it's fraction of a second you can make out that 10% is the effective rate of interest. Effective rate of interest is 10%. You keep on charging 10% on this for 3 years, this will become 1000. So I repeat, initial amount recognized and the redemption amount, difference between these two is the interest, that is 250. Now we need to work out what is the rate of interest that will be applied on 750 and the amount will become 1000 after the end of 3 years. That is coming 10%, that is called effective interest method. We check up year 1, year 2, year 3, 750, 10% is 75. That means closing value how much? 825. We start with 825. Closing value of year 1 is the opening value of year 2. 10% is 83. That means this is 908. Closing value, opening value for third year is balancing figure 92. This is 1000 rupees. If you add these three, 250 is the amount of interest. The 750 initial amount becomes the redemption amount 1000. Difference of these two is 250 interest. So we will be keep on charging 75 interest in the first year, 83 second year, 92 in the third year, added to the cost of the asset. Very peculiar journal entry. See for the first year. Capital work in progress debit CU 75 to 0 coupon bonds CU 75. This is increased by 75, this is debited. Neither affecting accounting profit nor affecting taxable profit. So this is the concept of effective interest. This will be discussed in detail in financial instruments, of course.